C-O-C-O. Okay. So this one, when and this is U. C-O-C-O-N-U-T. Yeah. This is letter. What letter is this again? Letter.
U.
Okay, U. Okay, so this one, when and this is letter. Okay.
Y.
Yes, this is letter Y. Okay, you remember the letter, okay? U, and this letter is U and this is letter Y. Okay, Min Ann, can you tell me how many letters? Can you count how many letters in the word coconut? Okay, you count the word coconut.
7 letter.
Okay, 7 letters. Okay, Min Ann, can you find some picture here or foods here that has 7 letters? What do you think? Um, okay. Oh, okay. I will give you okay. This one is too difficult or hard. So, okay. How about this one? I want you to spell this one. Min Ann? Okay. What is this?
Apple.
Okay, apple. Okay, can you spell the word apple?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, how do you spell apple?
A P P L E.
Okay, Apple. How about this one? How do you spell this one? What is this?
Banana.
Okay, how do you spell banana? Minan?
Banana.
Okay. Okay, how many letters of the word banana?
6 letter.
Okay, 6 letters. Okay, Min. And can you tell me or can you find some pictures here that has 6 letters?
Yes.
Okay. Can you circle it? What do you think? Okay, so, okay, what is this?
A burger.
Okay, how do you spell burger?
B U
Okay,
R G